Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you a requested video on how to send USDT from Binance exchange to a Web3 wallet. I'll show you the easiest way to transfer funds from the exchange to a Web3 wallet. So let's get started. So first open your Binance and click on assets. Then if you don't have USDT, you can exchange and convert your coins to get USDT. So click here to open the Web3 wallet. Then here click on receive. Then here you can use withdraw from Binance exchange, or you can use this one too, but here I'll show you the easiest way. So click on this one. Then it will show your USDT on Binance exchange. Then click on USDT and then select Binance Smart Chain and then continue. Then here your deposit address and network are by default selected, so you don't need to do anything here. Then here enter your amount. For example, I'll put 11 and then click on withdraw. Then confirm. Then go to your Binance wallet. And as you can see, USDT has arrived. So I hope this video helps you to transfer your USDT from Binance exchange to your wallet. So please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.